When businesses think about return on investment for IoT, they usually focus on things like automation, analytics, or efficiency. But there's another benefit that often gets overlooked: connectivity failover. And in many cases, it can deliver one of the biggest returns of all. Before we dive in, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos from us. Now let's get into it. First, let's quickly define what failover is. IoT failover means that if your primary internet connection goes down, your device automatically switches to a backup connection, often a cellular network, without interrupting operations. This can happen in seconds, and ideally, the customer or user never even notices. For connected systems like payment terminals, kiosks, EV chargers, or smart vending machines, that kind of reliability is critical. Here's where the ROI comes in. Every minute a connected device is offline can mean lost revenue. Imagine a payment terminal that can't process transactions, a vending machine that can't accept digital payments, or a remote device that stops reporting data. Even short outages can create real financial impact, especially for businesses operating hundreds or thousands of connected devices. Failover helps eliminate those gaps. IoT deployments are often unattended and distributed. Devices might be located in stores, parking lots, airports, or remote infrastructure sites, places where no one is standing by to fix a network issue. That's why automatic failover is so valuable. It keeps devices online, even when the primary network fails. Some of the biggest ROI from IoT failover shows up in industries like retail and payment systems, vending and unattended retail, EV charging networks, digital signage, and remote monitoring systems. In these environments, uptime directly affects revenue, customer experience, and operational efficiency. At first glance, failover might look like just another technical feature. But when you look at the cost of downtime, lost transactions, and service interruptions, the ROI becomes clear. Reliable connectivity isn't just about staying online, it's about protecting your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into IoT and smart connectivity.